Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences and entertainment, and even some sports. Today, Universal Parks and Resorts confirmed the official themed land scheduled for the upcoming May 2026 Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas. No surprises here, given our regular insight and coverage of this project. However, it was great to see the confirmation of the Puss in Boots land. Join us for a quick preview of the latest artwork along with our integrated drone coverage. Let's go! Well, that's a quick look at the confirmed news from our friends here at Universal Parks and Resorts. Make sure to subscribe so you may stay in the loop on all theme park news, including our continued coverage of Universal Kids Resort. Let's go!